In this series, I take Pokemon from the digital world and transform them into photorealistic versions you'd expect to see in real life. Today, it's all about Chandelure, so stick around and see how I bring this Ghost and Fire type to life. After breaking Chandelure into individual shapes, I'll start by applying a basic texture to the arms and other similar parts. For the base, I'll add some shading and adjust the colors to better define its overall shape. When working on one of the arms, I realized that using layer styles would be the quickest way to get the polished metal texture I'm aiming for. Once I was satisfied with the arm, I applied a similar layer style to the body. It didn't translate as well due to the body's shape, so I had to manually adjust by masking out certain areas. Eventually, I found something that works. I used the same layer styles on the other arms, though I'll go back later to add some manual refinements. Chandelure's head has an iridescent quality, so I'm using a holographic foil texture to recreate that effect. Now I'll refine the arms further by adding in custom highlights. The flames need a glowing effect, so I'll use gradients and an inner glow to achieve this. The outer glow will be added manually as a final touch. Speaking of final touches, we're almost done. I'll add a few finishing highlights and shadows to polish things up. One last thing, Chandelure's eyes. A simple radial gradient with inner glow brings them right to life. And there you have it, Chandelure brought into the real world. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know what Pokemon you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.